So, you want to play the options game? Yo, what's up, future Wall Street wizards? Heard you're interested in stock options. Spicy options trading. It's like regular stock trading, but with more leverage and more ways to lose your shirt. But hey, risk is part of the game, right? And the potential rewards? Let's just say it could be a one-way ticket to yacht party territory. But before you start throwing money at your broker like you're making it rain, let's break this thing down. Options trading isn't about gambling. Well, it's a little bit about gambling, but it's more about strategy, understanding the market, and maybe some voodoo magic. Who knows? The point is, with a little knowledge and maybe a lucky pair of socks, you can navigate this world and come out on top. So buckle up, Buttercup. We're about to dive into the wild world of stock options. All right, let's talk options. No, not the do you want fries with that kind of options. We're talking about contracts that give you the option, see what I did there, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price by a specific date. Think of it like putting a reservation on a table at a fancy restaurant. You've got two main flavors, calls and puts. Calls are like betting the stock price will go up. Puts, on the other hand, are for when you think the stock is going to tank harder than your dating life after mentioning you're into options trading. You don't have to actually buy or sell the stock when the option expires. You can sell the option itself, kind of like flipping that dinner reservation for a profit. See, told you it was kind of like gambling. Now, before you go all in on a stock option because you had a dream about a talking giraffe wearing a monocle, we've all been there, you gotta learn how to read the market. Think of it like swiping on Tinder, but instead of judging people based on blurry photos and questionable bios, you're analyzing charts, graphs, and news headlines. First up, you gotta understand supply and demand. It's basic economics, people. When demand for a stock is high, the price goes up. When it's low, the price goes down. Simple, right? Well, not really. There are a million other factors at play, like global pandemics, celebrity tweets, and whether or not Elon Musk decides to buy Twitter again. Then there's technical analysis, which is basically using fancy charts and indicators to predict future price movements. It's like trying to read tea leaves, but with more math. Don't worry, you don't need a PhD in astrophysics to understand this stuff. Section 4, Trade Smart, Not Hard Pro Tips from yours truly. Okay. Now that you've got a basic understanding of options and how to read the market, let's talk strategy. Because even if you can predict the future with 100% accuracy, which you can't, by the way, you can still mess it up if you don't trade smart. First rule of options trading: don't be an idiot. Seriously, don't invest more than you can afford to lose, don't chase losses, and don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Unless you're day trading, in which case it's like sprinting on a treadmill while juggling chainsaws. Second pro tip, diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk around like you're spreading avocado on toast. Section 5, go forth and option, but like responsibly. So there you have it, folks, the wonderful, wacky world of stock options. Is it risky? Sure. Can you lose all your money? Absolutely. But can you also make a killing and retire early to a life of luxury and leisure? You betcha. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to ask for help. There are tons of resources available online, from educational websites to online forums to YouTube channels hosted by guys in their pajamas who claim to be trading gurus. Just remember, trading options isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of luck. Now go forth and option, but like responsibly.